Hi, welcome. You are warmly welcome to Atedurin Genius. Today we are going to introduce you subject number 101, Financial Accounting. Before that, I am Ariya Gunawardhane, your lecturer in Financial Accounting. Financial Accounting is an important subject which provides you basic knowledge in financial accounting. It may be important in your level number 2, level number 3 and also your future studies in accounting. This subject includes 6 chapters. Chapter number 1, Introduction to Financial Accounting. It includes importance of financial accounting, then the role of the accounting technician, accounting process and also financial information and the uses of information provided through the financial accounting. In your lesson number 2, you are going to study accounting equation, double entry accounting theory, accounting system and also basic accounting concepts. Here in this lesson, you are going to record transactions and events occurred in a business by using accounting equation. Then after, you are going to study double entry accounting theory, which is considered as the core concept of accounting. Okay. Then after, you are given a chance or you can study accounting concepts, some concepts which are important in accounting process. Then lesson number 3. In this lesson, you are going to study prime entry books used by a business. Now you know that different prime entry books are used in a business in the recording process. Here you are given basic knowledge regarding prime entry books used by a business. Other than that, control accounts and trial balance. Trial balance is considered as the summary of recording process. Okay, this is the lesson number 3. In your lesson number 4, you are going to study financial statement of a sole proprietorship business. You are going to prepare financial statement. By preparing financial statement, you can calculate operating result of a business, the profit earned by the business. Okay. After that, you can prepare a statement of financial position which shows the financial position of a business at a definite date. This is part 1 of lesson number 4. In your part 2, in this lesson, you can study how do we prepare financial statement of a manufacturing business. Manufacturing business, a business which convert raw material into finished product. Then you can prepare cost of goods produced by preparing manufacturing cost statement. This is the second part of lesson number 4. Then lesson number 5. You can study bank reconciliation statement. You know that most business prefer to do their transactions through a current account. Here we are going to study how do we record the transactions incurred through the current account maintained by a business. This is the lesson number 5. Lesson number 6, computerized environment and importance of being ethical. Computerized environment. You know that different computer systems, softwares, packages are used in accounting system. Here we are going to provide you basic knowledge regarding computer systems used in accounting process. Other than that, we have to study importance of being ethical. Whatever we are going to do, whatever job we are going to do, we have to be ethical. Here we are going to study what is the importance of being ethical, right? This is the complete syllabus of AAT level number 1, Financial Accounting. We will be soon with lesson number 1. Stay tuned with Atedurin Genius.